Alright, so I'm washing the dandelion leaves. So you got some plantain in here I'm throwing in there. It's wild plantain, so they look a little ravaged by some insects and stuff, but they'll be just fine. Just separate those out, because we could certainly include them, because Plantago major, Plantago SPP dot, Plantago species is edible. But that's not what we want for this. We get rid of some of the grasses and stuff like that. Separate this thing. So this is our dandelion leaf. So I'm gonna go ahead and mince these leaves here. And not mince, I'm just gonna kind of coarsely chop these. There you go. We're pretty much all set. So now we're going to mince the garlic. So again, you just have to finely chop this. Keep your fingers together so you're not cutting your fingers. Don't lay your fingers out like that. So that the side of the knife goes against your knuckles or your fingers. Alright, so we have our chopped dandelions, about 1.5 cups or so, and we have 3/4 to 1 cup of olive oil. We have about 1 cup. This is looking like 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese or any hard cheese that you like. This is to taste. And then we have 3 tablespoons of garlic, chopped and minced garlic. And so what we're going to do is we're going to puree it all together. So pesto, again, has to do with having that mortar and pestle thing where you just kind of grind everything together. So pesto, that's what that comes from. I believe it's a Latin term. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the dandelions and leaves in first. Just a little bit at a time, actually. You don't want to overwhelm the chopper, because I'm just using this little chopper. If you have a bigger food processor, then go right ahead, do your thing. Add the garlic. Go. Add some of the cheese, hard cheese, grated hard cheese, like Parmesan. That in there. And then we can go ahead and add some olive oil, which is going to be a liquid. It's going to help us blend everything together. Go ahead, put this on my grinding gimmick. See what happens. Alright, so I think we got it. So I'll transfer this to a container or bowl. Here we go. Looks pretty good. Let's put that in there. Yeah, we got more than we need. Nice. Nice. So put this in the sink. But yeah, Here we go. Here's our dandelion pesto right here. And this would be chopped with, or you'd put nuts in it, like pine nuts or sesame seeds and such like that. But it's quite pungent. It's very good. You know, again, a lot of these things are to taste, and yeah, we're gonna cook some pasta with this. So it looks pretty good, and it's dandelions, common weed.